Let us take an example. Let us say if I declare int a of 10 and declare cheste, just like previously what we have done when I have declared in a variables int m n r అన్నప్పుడు ఏమనుకున్నాం మనం, whenever I have declared a variables of integer type in my memory, at some location it allocates space for storing this m variable and n variable and r variable at some place, right? అదే కదా అనుకున్నాం previously. What we have discussed is it allocates space for m, n and r at some locations, not necessarily be a continuous locations, at some random positions. If it is 1020, it might be 2020 or it may be 1070. So at some location it allocates space. Similarly, if I declare int a of 10, so ఈ int a of 10 అని డిక్లేర్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందంటే it allocates space for 10 elements. When I say int a of 10, that means I want to store 10 integer values. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, so when I declare int a of 10, it allocates space continuously. So idokati inkoka point gurtunchukovalsindi entante, whenever I declared an array, it allocates space, continuous space, not ఎక్కడెక్కడో డిక్లేర్ చేసినట్లు లైక్ int m and r ఎలా అయితే డిక్లేర్ చేసినప్పుడు డిఫరెంట్ లొకేషన్స్ అనుకున్నామో, ఇక్కడ మాత్రం when I declared an array of 10, somewhere in my memory it allocates space for all the 10 elements. Let us say if in my case size of int in my system, if my size of int is equal to 4 bytes aithe ganaka, one second, let me erase it. If my size of int, if I declare size of int, if I try to print size of int, if it is 4 bytes, so ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని ఎలిమెంట్స్ అంటున్నాం మనం, 10 ఎలిమెంట్స్ అంటున్నాం. 10 ఎలిమెంట్స్ అంటే ఎంత స్పేస్ డిక్లేర్ చేస్తుంది, 10 into 4, that means 40 bytes of memory it will allocates to this array A. So ఇంకొక very important point is when I declared an array A, so the name of array is a pointer variable and which always points to the first location. What is a pointer variable, we'll see. But first location అంటే ఏంటనుకున్నాం, ఇక్కడ అడ్రస్ ఏం చెప్పుకున్నాం మనం, 10202020 ఏదో లొకేషన్ లో స్టోర్ అవుతుంది. సో వెన్ ఐ రీడ్ ద వాల్యూస్ యాజ్ scanf లో రీడ్ చేసినప్పుడు, when I what we have declared discussed, when I declare scanf percentage dm, the value whatever I am reading from the user, it will store at this location. Similarly, so this is also at some location it declares. Let us say this location is 1010. Let us say the first location is 1010 of the continuous memory location. A always points to the name of the array, always point to the first address location. Name A అనగానే అది అడ్రస్, అదే పాయింటర్ వేరియబుల్ కింద అవుతుంది, and it always points to the first location. What is a pointer variable, we'll see later. Because ఇప్పుడు ఏమనుకున్నాం, నెక్స్ట్ size of the integer variable is 4 bytes kabatti, if this is 1010 అయితే కనుక నెక్స్ట్ లొకేషన్ ఏమవుతుంది ఇక్కడ, it should be, because it occupies 4 bytes, the next location should be 1014. Similarly 1018, 1022, 1026, 1030, 1034, చూడండి నేను తప్పు రాస్తున్నాను, 1038, 1042, 1046 and 1050. So if I start with 1010 is the starting address location, and if I want to store 10 values, each value stores 4 bytes, that means 1010 plus 40, that is 1050. So total ఎంత మెమరీస్ వచ్చింది ఇక్కడ, 1050 వరకు it will read. So what are the elements ఏముంటాయి ఇక్కడ, this is the first element 0. Before going to the element numbers, all these elements of the array are accessed by using index or subscript అంటాం. So we can access all the members of the elements. దీంట్లో members ఏమంటాం? I have said int a of 10 అంటే it occupies it takes 10 different values అన్నాం. What are the 10 different values? Always the index or subscript of the array starts with 0. So whenever I say int a of 10, the members of the array or index always starts from 0. This is the 0 location and this is first location, second, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So index always starts from 0 and what is the maximum size? Maximum size is size of the array minus 1. Whatever the size I have declared, that size of the array minus 1 is the last index. First index is always 0. Any array, whatever, whether it is integer array or float array or character array or double array, whatever array it is, it always starts at index 0 and the maximum index or maximum size is size of the array which I have declared here, that minus 1. So the members ఏమొస్తాయి అప్పుడు? So if I declare int a of 10, so what are the members? First member is accessed by a of 0, second member is a of 1, third one is a of 2, so on. What are the last member? A of 9. So if a of 10 and declare cheste kanaka, if I want to have a of 10 is the array name, the first element is a of 0, second element of the array is a of 1, third element is a of 2, similarly a of 3, a of 4, a of 5, a of 6, a of 7, a of 8 and a of 9. Clear? So if I declare int a of 10, the first point is the name of the array always points to the first location of the array. That means a is always pointing to a of 0 and the size, it continuously how much size it allocates, that depends on the size of the integer variable, because I have declared integer, because in this case if the size of integer is 4 bytes, the total size it allocates is 40 bytes. If my size of integer is 2, I'll have 10 into 20, 20 bytes. That depends on the what system you are using in. And the members of the array are a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, a of 4, so on and so forth. Maximum is a of 9. Why a of 9? Because I have declared 10 is the maximum size of the array. So I have members as 0 to 9.